Hey everybody, we're in my kitchen. We're going to learn how to do something today. I'm going to teach you how to make microwave popcorn, okay? You can't do this alone. You gotta have someone with you, mom, dad, brother, sister, whoever, someone that knows how to use the microwave, okay? Ready? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is talk about materials, okay? So what materials do we need to make microwave popcorn? Well, microwave popcorn has the word microwave. Gotta have a microwave. This is a microwave, okay? Some people have microwaves at their house. Some do not have microwaves. If you do not have a microwave at your house, that is okay. You can just watch and remember, but you won't be able to make microwave popcorn. You can make the other kind of popcorn. So we have our microwave. We have our popcorn. Has to be microwave popcorn, okay? It can't be a little kernel. Sometimes I buy those too, but this is what's at my house, and I didn't want to go to the store to buy more stuff. And I have a bowl, okay? So I have 3 materials for this. Microwave, popcorn, and bowl. 3, okay? Are we ready for the steps? First step is putting the popcorn in the microwave, okay? So I'm going to look at the package, all right? First step, putting the popcorn in the microwave. If you look closely, it says this side up, okay? So that means this side goes up. I'm gonna put popcorn in the microwave. It's in there. My second step is I'm going to cook my popcorn, okay? Sometimes there's settings on the microwave that say popcorn, and I do 3 minutes. 3 minutes, okay? I do 3 minutes. Always 3 minutes. Don't ask me why. That's what my mom and dad did growing up, so that's what I do. So then we're gonna wait for. My dogs think there's a robber here. Sorry, everybody. I know it's kind of annoying when you're watching, so I apologize. And then when you wait for 3 minutes, you can do dancing, like woo, or you can do like the floss dance, like that. What else can you do? You can, what other kind of dance moves can we do? We could do this one. Okay. It's hard. Exercising's hard. We could do jumping jacks. What else can we do while we're waiting for 3 minutes? We have 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. We can count to 100. I'm going to start at 70 though, because that makes it hard. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 70. Ooh, it's popping. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. I can dance and count. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ooh, it's popping. Listen. It's popping a lot. So what I do is I wait until it's done popping. Sometimes I don't wait the whole 3 minutes, okay? I'm listening. Sounds delicious. It still says there's 1 minute and 20 seconds left. What am I gonna do for 1 minute and 20 seconds? I don't know. Do you have any ideas? I could say rhyming words. Cat, bat, gnat, sat, fat, lap, that. Ooh, NTH words. That, there, then, this. How about WH words? When, where, who, why, what. Oh my gosh, super fun. Now we have 45 seconds left. Let's count backwards. Hold on. We have to make sure it's still popping. Also, do you guys like my leggings? They're spring and I wore them for you today. Okay, so we have 30 seconds left and it's done popping. So I'm going to take out the popcorn. And we're gonna wait for a minute, not even a full minute. We're gonna count backwards from 30. We're gonna start at 30. We're just gonna let it sit for a minute. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys know I sing opera, right? Woo, 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 woo. Oh no, don't do that. Don't sing opera, Miss Collington. I have a friend who's an opera singer though. She's really good. But she is now staying at home with her children, so she's not really singing anymore. Okay. Okay, third step. Pour the popcorn. We don't pour microwaves. Pour the popcorn into the bowl. Okay, so we have the first step, which is put the popcorn. First step, put the popcorn in the microwave. Second step, cook the popcorn. Third step, pour it in a bowl. I can't pour it in yet. It smells too good. If you have a family that you're sharing this with, maybe don't like stick your face in it, right? Only if it's just you. I'm the only one eating this, so I can like smell it. But if you're serving it to other people, don't do that. Keep it away from your face. That's better to keep the germs out. Okay, so this is not a step I'm putting in my directions, but what do you think I should do right now if I'm going to eat it? Do you have any ideas? What do you think? What do you think I should do? It has to do with my hands. And it has to do with being clean. Yeah, wash them. Now, I don't care if we're at home because there's germs outside that we don't want to go outside to get, or I don't care if we were just outside all day long digging in the dirt and with your friends. We always wash our hands before we eat. You know that? We do that in the classroom. You know, for me, I don't put anything in my mouth. I don't eat anything. I don't even drink anything hardly unless my hands are clean. So this is not a step in my how-to, but I am going to do it. So the third step here is putting the popcorn in the bowl. Correct? Yeah, it looks delicious. And I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, you're not going to see me wash my hands, but I'm going to do it right now. Okay, you can hear me. You'll hear me. Look at the popcorn while you're waiting. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Ready? Yep, going to be delicious. You hear it? I'm washing my hands, everybody. That been 20 seconds yet, guys? Are you counting for me? I think it's been about 20 seconds. Ready now. Okay, my hands are clean. I'm going to dry them with a dish towel. I wonder what this one says. My mom always sends me dish towels. That one's cute. I have another cute dish towel here you might like. Let's see which one is better. Oh, I like this one better. My mom sends me all these cute towels that have sayings. It says, eat well, laugh often, love always. Cute. Okay, my hands are clean and they're dry. What do you think the last step is? If you want, it's always a choice. You don't have to write this as a last step. Oh yeah, popcorn. Yeah, I'm using my sense of smell. Yep. That's the last step, guys. Yep. Right there. Hitting the spot. So, you should make some popcorn. Maybe you're not making microwave popcorn. Maybe you're making the regular stuff. Maybe you have it in a bag it's already made. What are our steps? Let's go over it. Let's go over materials. What are our materials? So we have the, oh my gosh, this is so good. We have the materials are the microwave, the popcorn in the bowl, okay? What are our steps? First step, put the microwave in the, put the popcorn in the microwave. First step, put the popcorn in the microwave. Second step, cook the popcorn. Third step, put the popcorn in the bowl. Fourth step, if optional, eat it. There it is, guys. No, I don't even know if I can turn off my camera right now because I'm like, just want to eat popcorn. I'm hungry. Do you guys forget to eat? I always forget to eat. Now that I'm home, I forget to eat every single day. I like get to like 5 o'clock at night and I think, oh my gosh, I forgot to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner and snack. So this is all my food. Okay, I'll stop eating and turn off my camera for you. But just know, once my camera's off, probably need that whole bowl of popcorn. Yep, probably gonna go watch a movie. Maybe I'll watch Frozen or something. Bye, everybody.